Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Justment's Fashion YouTube channel. This video is about the top 5 best products for premature gray hair for men. Number 1 on the list is Grey Egg Solution. Grey Egg Solution targets men's premature gray hair by boosting melanin production and protecting against oxidative stress. Its advanced formula restores natural color while keeping your scalp healthy and chemical free. Number 2 on the list is Tricholis Intensive Grey Hair Serum. This serum nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair follicles. It supports the restoration of natural hair pigment and helping reduce premature graying hair gradually. Number 3 on the list is Cara Black tablets for gray hair. Cara Black tablets for men help combat gray hair by boosting melanin production. They also strengthen hair from within, promoting healthier, darker strands over time. Number 4 in the list is Tricholis tablets. This tablets helps men maintain their natural hair color by boosting melanin production. They also strengthen hair from within, reducing premature gray over time. Number 5 in the list is Cuticolor Hair Color Cream. This cream helps men delivers long-lasting, vibrant color while effectively covering grays. It nourishes hair, leaving it healthy, shiny, and full of life. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.